Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable or turn off your antivirus on Windows 11 computer. I'll show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it guys. On left side you just need to select virus threat protection. On right side under virus threat protection, click on manage settings. You just need to turn off this all in this page guys. First you just need to turn off from the bottom. Temper protection, turn it off, and cloud delivered protection turn off, and real-time protection turn off. Now we have successfully turned off your antivirus on Windows 11 guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.